How to boost your profile using points. Are you guys facing issue to boost your profile on Scout? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To boost your profile on Scout, first of all, open application on a mobile device. Once you open the Scout app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, to boost your profile, now just simply click on your profile icon, which is usually located at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on your profile icon. After you click on it, now then go to points or reward section. Or you can also look for the boost profile option. Tap on boost profile. You will see how many points are required to boost the profile icon. Or you can see these packages over here. To boost your profile for 1 month, select the 1 month package. It's gonna take $9.99. Now tap on get premium now. After you click on it, you need to write down your debit or credit card details. As soon as you write it down, your profile will be successfully boosted for the selected amount or the selected month of the package that you have purchased. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to boost your account on Scout application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.